In this video, we are going to talk about digital marketing strategies that you can adopt for your business, which will work for at least next decade. So if you want to take your business online and you want to do digital marketing for that, then this video is for you. Now, in this era of digitalization, if your business is not online, then you are missing a lot of things. But if you have decided to take your business online and to do promotions on internet, then there is few steps that you should take before you even start doing any promotions online. And if we need to summarize all these steps, we can say that before you do any digital marketing, you should invest a lot of time in a strategy that is required for your specific business needs. And to do that, you can take few steps to identify how you are going to proceed with the digital marketing for your business online. And the step number one here is to identify your audience. Now, I'm sure as you already have a business, you know what product you are trying to sell. And if you are already established offline, then you know your target audience very well. For example, the age group of audience or the location of your primary customer, like in metro cities or tier 2 or tier 3 cities, or maybe the gender of your audience. Do you have more male customers or do you have more female customers? So if you know your audience in advance, you can do very well in digital marketing for your business. And that brings us to step number 2, that is identifying the platform. Now, once you have identified the kind of audience that you want to target and to promote your brand online, then it's very important that you choose the right platform, which means that you promote your business on the platform where your target audience is. So if you have a B2B business and if you are not doing marketing on LinkedIn, then you are doing something very wrong. And if you have a product which is targeted to youth, and if you are not using Instagram and TikTok, then again, there's a big red flag in your digital marketing strategy. So once you have identified your audience, what kind of people are looking for your product, or you want to sell your products to, then it's very important that you identify where is your target audience hangs out most. So is it on LinkedIn? Is it on Facebook, Twitter, or is it on Instagram? So if you can do that analysis in advance, that will save a lot of time and money for your business. And then comes the step number 3, that is marketing style. Now, if you are new in the business and just starting up and you don't have much budget in investing in paid ads, then you can easily start with content marketing. And personally, I prefer that the most. Even if you have a budget to run ads, you should always have a plan for content marketing along with any paid marketing that you do. So once you have identified the platform, make sure you identify the content style of that platform and then start producing content for that. So make sure you follow 2 things here. First, identify the format of content that works for that platform. And number 2, do not try to sell. Try to provide value as much as possible. People will start getting interested in your brands and products automatically. Step number 4, paid ad testing. Now, this step is optional and it is for those who can spend a little bit of budget in the very beginning stage. Once you have identified the platform where your audience hangs out, you can test some ads to see the response of your target audience. Now, while running ads on any social media platform, these days, these platforms are so intelligent that they can easily customize your ad as per your target audience. Maybe depending upon the gender, maybe depending upon the age, location, or their profession as well. So all that can be customized with these platform ads, and you can try that in the beginning stage if you have budget and see how your audience is responding to that. Now, this can bring you sales, but in the beginning you should focus more on how your audience is responding, and then you can develop a new strategy around the response of your audience. Step number 5, identify your marketing aim. Of course, the primary aim of any marketing is getting leads and sales, but as a journey of your digital marketing, you should identify that are you doing digital marketing to spreading the brand awareness, or you are trying to do the selling of the product from the day one. And once you have that idea clear in your mind, you will have a completely different digital marketing strategy. If you are focused more on leads and sales, then the best way to start is with paid ads. And if you're just planning to build organic customer base and do the brand awareness, then organic content marketing is the way forward for you. So this is how you can use these basic steps to plan the digital marketing strategy for your business, and that can surely work for the next 10 years. If you like this video, then make sure you hit the like button, and to watch more videos like this, make sure you subscribe to this channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notified whenever we upload our next video. And if you need any expert help for your next WordPress project, then you can contact our WordPress experts using the link given in the video description below.